Happy Saturday, everybody. Today's topic for Strategy Saturday is your fat floor and when to add more. So when you're on keto or carnivore, you need enough fat to feel great, but not so much to block fat loss. Today, I'm giving you a quick test to figure out if you're above your fat floor or if it's time to add more. So at the end of the day, ask yourself two simple questions. Number one, did you eat at least 2 servings of naturally fatty protein like salmon, ribeye, or whole eggs? And then number two, did I feel satisfied between meals without raiding the fridge? If you can answer yes to both, you're probably hitting your fat floor without overdoing it. In the early days of keto, the advice was just add more fat, butter in your coffee, oil on your veggies, and fat bombs for dessert. That was partly because keto was first used medically for epilepsy, where extremely high fat intake is needed to control seizures. Today, that same high fat approach is still critical for therapeutic keto, for example, in certain cancer protocols or for seizure management. Because the goal there isn't fat loss, it's maintaining deep, steady ketosis for a medical benefit. But if your main goal is weight loss or metabolic health, adding fat just to hit a number can backfire by keeping your body tapping in from its own fat stores or energy sources. So when should you add more fat? Add a little more fat to your meals if you're hungry less than 3 hours after eating, or you can't get warm even in a sweater, or you're suddenly craving carbs after weeks of stability. And when you add fat, add smart. A knob of butter on your steak, an extra egg yolk, a few olives with your meal, not a half a cup of heavy cream in your coffee or an oil slick on your plate. Your fat floor is your safety net. It is there to protect your energy, mood, and your hormones. You don't need to chase fat grams to the decimal. You just need to meet your minimum and respond to your body's cues. If you want to understand why your fat needs change over time and how to tell if you should be fueling fat from your plate or your body, watch my Clarity series number 2 video, How Much Fat Do You Really Need on Keto or Carnivore? I'll link it right here. It'll be coming out in the next day or two. I'll see you tomorrow.